Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can redirect your www pages to the non-www version on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, I myself do not have the needed things or the needed options to actually enable this, since I do need to access the htaccess file, which I cannot using the free version of WordPress. So I'm going to go over into this step-by-step guide and show you guys how to do it through here. Now, to redirect these, you do need to change the htaccess file, as I've mentioned. So you need to go into the WordPress dashboard and use any SEO plugin or any plugin that allows you to access the htaccess file, and then just edit it however you can. Then after that, you need to edit and add the redirection rule. And to add the redirection rule, you just need to check these boxes on this specific plugin. Here it is called Rank Math, so you can check it out yourself. You just need to click here to understand the risks and then edit the file, and then you just need to add the code. Now, this might not be needed on other plugins, so you might not need to click that you understand. However, most should have a disclaimer when you're trying to change the htaccess. Then what you need to do is add the following code, which is this rewrite engine code, then rewrite condition and the rewrite rule. And if that changes, that's good. Just click save changes and you're done. And if you still can't redirect it, then try this code snippet right here. It is a bit different. However, the only thing that is different is the format, as far as I'm aware. And then you can use an htaccess tester tool to debug and ensure everything rewrites correctly, or you can just test it out yourself and see if your site redirects as it's supposed to. And once you do that, that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.